I'm Senior Trooper James Hayes, and I've been with the Oregon State Police in this area for over 25 years. So my days will consist of going to whatever priority we were working for at the time, which is determined by agreements with ODFW biologists. We'll usually go to our priority species that we're working or priority areas, depending on the time of the year. It could be this time of the year we're going into angling and marine board, where in the fall we're pretty much in big game, but if we do see angling violations or get reports of them, we'll respond to those in the fall. Big game, especially mule deer, is a population that's really concerning right now. We'll prioritize mule deer and focus on them.
Oregon's fish and wildlife deserve to be protected. Seeing firsthand the efforts of Trooper Hayes and learning how closely the Oregon State Police work alongside ODFW as well as local prosecutors to catch poachers was educational, to say the least. In the past, I had questioned the effectiveness of the tip program. I wondered if my calls truly did help catch those in the act of poaching. After spending the day with Trooper Hayes, I learned that any tip is a good tip.
Looking for suspicious stuff, and you can usually tell who's doing something illegal. I wanted to get into the fish and wildlife enforcement side because I saw so much poaching going on. Due to being a hunter and familiar with that aspect of law enforcement, it was kind of a natural area for me to go to. I want to see the future generation have that opportunity to go out and hunt and fish, and it's always not very far away from being not there.
The Oregon Department of Fish and Wildlife, Oregon State Police, and the Oregon State Department of Justice are dedicated to stopping poaching. Their collaborative efforts are crucial in safeguarding our natural resources. From undercover operations to advanced forensic techniques, their commitment ensures that violators are held accountable. But they can't do it alone. That's why they've collaborated on statewide initiative Protect Oregon's Wildlife, Turn in Poachers. These groups know that hunters and anglers play a vital role in this mission and want you to be aware of how you can help. For more information, go to protectoregonswildlife.com and be sure to save *677 into your phone to contact Oregon State's Fish and Wildlife officers. If you see something, say something.